What's up guys? So when it comes to almost anything in life, there's always one thing that's the most productive use of your time. And as a website owner, you probably feel overwhelmed, you feel burned out. It's a lot of work running a business and it takes a hell of a lot of energy along the way. So what is the most productive use of your time when it comes to ranking your website on Google? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you the one single piece of advice when it comes to SEO that I've learned from ranking hundreds of websites. And you know, like the saying goes, the hunter who chases two rabbits catches none. Now, I've never caught a rabbit before, but apparently that's good advice. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the single piece of advice that will help you the most when it comes to SEO. And seriously, this will save you months of frustration, it will save you a lot of hard work, and it will make your results 10 times better when it comes to SEO. So please make sure you keep watching. By the way, if you want more SEO videos that are going to help you get more traffic and make more money with your website, then make sure you subscribe because my videos will help you a lot in doing that. So what is the one single piece of advice I can give you when it comes to SEO? What I would say is you need to build backlinks. That's it, done. End of video, let's go home. No, just kidding, but seriously, when it comes to SEO, this is the difference between success and failure. This is the 20% of work that will get you 80% of the results. It's as simple as that, and I don't want to overcomplicate it here because people can throw out a lot of jargon when it comes to SEO. They can throw out, right, you've got to do technical SEO, you've got to optimize your page speed, you've got to do X, 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 and X, and there's 200 ranking factors when it comes to Google, so good luck to you. But honestly, out of those 200 ranking factors, it's all about backlinks. That's the single most important piece of information you need about SEO. With SEO, it's kind of like trying to get a six-pack, right? For example, you know, with health, you've got a million different ways you could optimize your health. You know, you could sleep better, you could improve your nutrition, you could exercise, you could start doing stretching, you could wear those crazy blue goggles before you go to sleep. You could be crazy enough to get liposuction and do all these overcomplicated things that feel like you're making progress, but actually it takes a lot of time, takes a lot of energy, and you're not going to get the same results. It's exactly the same with SEO, you know, just like getting a six-pack. If you want better results with your health, then you need to improve your nutrition, right? You can't out-exercise a bad diet. And it's exactly the same with SEO. If you want to improve your rankings, if you want to rank higher on Google, then the number one rule is make sure you get backlinks. In fact, if you Google almost any keyword these days, pretty much anything, right? You know, 9 times out of 10, the top ranking websites have backlinks. This is crucial for your business. If you don't get backlinks, you won't rank. And you could go out there and you could spend a crazy amount of money on content, on optimizing your website. You could hire a team for $1 million to do SEO. But if you don't do link building, it's game over. You're not going to see the results you want. You're probably never going to rank. And you've just wasted $1 million. So, you know, it's a bit of a pain. And a question to ask yourself honestly is, can you compete with other websites on Google without backlinks, right? Can you outrank your competitors? Because if you can't, then all the time you spent on SEO is wasted, right? So how do you outrank them? Well, you need higher quality and more authoritative backlinks than your competition. And if you do that, you're on exactly the right path to get more traffic with Google. It's kind of like if you were entering a raffle, right? There was this amazing prize and you had to win it. You couldn't do that without buying a ticket, right? You can't win the raffle without a ticket. And it's the same, you can't rank on Google number one if you don't have backlinks to your site. Now, I could yap on and on about why they're important. You know, Google says they're the top 3 ranking terms. 90% of content doesn't get any traffic because it doesn't have any backlinks. I could go on and on and on about why backlinks are important, but the truth is some things have to be learned through experience rather than just knowing them, right? There's a big difference between that. And when you start building backlinks to your site and you see the results you bring, it's a no-brainer. You'll realize that you need link building for your business. It's crucial and you will not rank without it. I mean, it's kind of like a background check, right? If you were running a bank and you were about to hire some employees, you would make sure they have a fairly clean past, right? You're not going to hire someone who's been in prison for 20 years to work at your bank unless they're like security or something, right? And it's the same with ranking your website. If you don't have backlinks, then Google can't really determine if you're trustworthy, if you're authoritative. I mean, if you have no backlinks to your content, then Google's going to crawl that. It's going to see, oh, this website has no backlinks, because chances are no one's linking to it because your content is crap, and therefore it shouldn't rank on Google. So just like a background check, backlinks are essential for making sure that your website looks credible. And if you can do that, you're onto a winning ticket. So that's pretty much it. I'm not going to go into too much detail. I'm not going to overcomplicate it. You now know exactly what the most crucial piece of the puzzle is when it comes to search engine optimization. If you don't do this, if you don't build backlinks, it's game over. And I'm not just saying that because I run a link building agency and I'm trying to get clients here. It's because I've just seen this time and time again. And that's why I have hundreds of testimonials from clients who have seen amazing results with me. This is the difference between success and failure. If you want to save yourself 5 years of hard work, messing around, frustration, which is what I've done for the last 5 years, trying to figure out SEO, then just build backlinks to your site. Build high quality backlinks. Check out my videos on exactly how to do it. You know, you can do it yourself for free if you want. You can just take my tutorials, and that's pretty much it. That's all you need to know. Bing, bang, bosh, right? So thanks for watching, guys. I really hope this video helped you, and you now know my one single piece of advice when it comes to ranking your website on Google. Now, if you want to get backlinks to your website, if you want someone to just do it for you, you want to save the hassle, you don't want to mess around with it yourself, and you'd rather just hire someone who's tried, tested, and proven, then make sure that you jump onto my website, juliangoldie.com. I'll leave the link in the description. You can book in a free consultation where we'll give you a tried, tested, and proven link building strategy that's only going to help you rank higher on Google. You know, if you'd like to learn how to rank #1 on Google, just book in that call. It takes 5 seconds. Jump on juliangoldie.com, and that's all you need to know. Thanks for watching.